The messenger RNA technology used by the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine companies has been in development for many years, related to investigation of other viral diseases. Both vaccine companies also conducted preclinical studies on non-human primates, like rhesus macaques, as an animal model, and these were also found to be effective in preventing disease from COVID-19. The rapid pace at which we were able to see development of these vaccines for COVID-19 is because of this sound foundation previously developed by using technology that does not require the time-consuming steps to grow live virus in live cells, plus the collaboration of scientific minds and financial resources into this effort.